Hello students. As you know, fractions are one of the most important concepts in mathematics. We have studied about them in the earlier classes. We come across their application in our daily life. So, we can define a fraction as a part of the whole or collection. When something is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. As you know, 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. So, 1 minute is a fraction of an hour. 1 minute will be represented as a fraction is 1 upon 60 of an hour. A fraction consists of two parts. First is numerator, second is denominator. 1 upon 3. Here 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. A fraction may be of different types: proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, and unit fractions. Let us understand proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 11 by 20, 21 by 25. These all are proper fractions. As you know, numerator is smaller and the denominator is bigger over here. Next is improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 3 by 2, 7 by 4, 6 by 5, 15 by 11, 10 by 10. These all are improper fractions. Here, the denominator is smaller and the numerator is bigger. Next is mixed fraction. An improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction and vice versa. It consists of a whole number as well as a proper fraction. 1 whole, 1 by 2, 2 whole, 3 by 4, 5 whole, 5 by 6. These are some of the examples of mixed fraction. Next is like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 9, 3 by 9, 7 by 9. Here all the denominators are equal, so it is a like fraction. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 6, 2 by 3 and 3 by 8. Here all the denominators are different, so this is a unlike fraction. Next is unit fraction. Proper fractions having 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. These all are unit fractions because the numerator is 1 over here. We have already done the basic operations of addition and subtractions of fractions in the previous class. Now we shall study multiplication and division of fractions. So our next topic is multiplication of fractions. Multiplying fractions. Multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the numerator of the fraction by the whole number and then reduce it to the lowest terms. Let us see an example step by step. 2 by 7 multiply 3. Here 3 is a whole number, so we will take the denominator as 1. So 2 by 7 will be multiplied with 3 by 1. This is step 1. Then we are going to multiply 2 multiply 3 and 7 multiply 1. Numerators and then denominators. This is step 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 1s are 7. So 6 by 7 will be the answer. In this way we are going to multiply a fractional number by a whole number. Next is multiplication of a fractional number by another fractional number. When we multiply two fractions, multiply the two numerators to get the numerator of the product and multiply the two denominators to get the denominator of the product. Let us understand with the help of an example. 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. Here first of all we are going to multiply the numerators. 2 3s are 6. Now we are going to multiply the denominators. 5 4s are 20. Now if necessary we are going to reduce the fraction. So 6 by 20 when reduced we'll get 3 by 10. In this way we are going to multiply fractional number by another fractional number. Our next topic is division of fractions. Division of a fraction by a whole number. As you know, division means how many times one number can be found in a second number. So, to divide a fraction by a whole number, we are going to multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Here, 1 by 2 will be divided by 3. So, we are going to reciprocal 3. That is 1 by 3. So 1 1s are 1 and 2 3s are 6. So we'll get 1 by 6 as the answer. So in this way we are going to divide fraction by a whole number. Next is division of a fraction by a fraction. In order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we are going to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the another fraction. Let us understand with the help of an example. Here 4 by 5 is divided with 2 by 3. So we are going to reciprocal the next number, that is 2 by 3. So we'll get 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 2. Now we are going to multiply the numerators and denominators. 4 3s are 12. 5 2s are 10. Now we are going to simplify these fractions. 12 by 10 when simplified we are getting 1 whole 1 by 5. So in this way we are going to divide a fraction by a fraction. Thank you and have a nice day.